Hello, my name's Lee and I am the Joint Managing Director of Crown Suzuki, London's newest Suzuki dealer. As a new member of the Suzuki family, we adhere to the Suzuki Service Promise. I'm extremely proud of the reputation we here at Crown have built over many years and would like to give you my top 10 reasons why you should use our fantastic service facilities in Hendon. Exceeding customer expectations is what we aim for in everything we do, and we treat every customer's car as if it was our own. We also automatically check to see if your vehicle has any outstanding safety recalls or software updates. These will be carried out free of charge if required. Customer safety is our #1 priority, so we complete a free electronic health check on every car. This uses a traffic light system. Obviously, work will never be carried out without your prior agreement. Buy with confidence with Crown's Tyre price promise. If you have tyres replaced and find the same tyre at a lower price, we will refund you the difference. We never do second best. We only use genuine Suzuki parts, which come with a minimum 12-month guarantee. Even with a Suzuki, sometimes you will get that unexpected repair. At Crown, we have an arrangement where you don't have to pay for the repair all at once, but can spread the cost over a number of months, and to help, we do it interest-free. We will give your car a complimentary wash and vacuum on all pre-booked work. Courtesy cars or collection and delivery can be arranged. Experience is priceless when it comes to looking after your car. At Crown, my team of technicians have over 150 years of experience between them in the automotive industry. We also offer free body shop estimates. We have an estimator on site who will liaise with your insurance company and guide you through the repair process. Myself and the fantastic team at Crown Suzuki look forward to being of service to you and your Suzuki car. Thank you for watching this video.